Hi, the organizers of Bangalore Short Film Festival 2020. I am happy that our film Maa Nuhe Patita in Oriya, which means a mother cannot be a lost lady, is being selected to be shown in the film festival. I think that it is my good fortune that my film has been selected to be viewed by the esteemed audience. And what I am telling is, this film has been made by me, the concept is mine, and producer director is myself, and the film took shape when I thought of single mother rearing a child without any support. So that was the reason why I thought of having a film as per my thinking on women, single women who had a lot of burden to undertake. So I could translate my thinking into an audio visual medium which I could show to the people of Orissa, and for that matter whosoever sees the film regarding the importance of mothers. And a lady in India and abroad also are not at par with men. At the same time, people go on thinking about what profession a lady has got, and a lot of things are being asked about the ladies. And here I think that my film Maa Nuhe Patita, that I have compared the relationship of a child and the mother to the speed of light. Einstein told that the speed of light is the top limiting speed in the universe. Likewise, after my twisting a bit of that statement, I concluded that the child and mother's relationship is the maximum or best relationship possible on earth, be it human beings or in animal world. And in that way, I envisaged the film and I created that action of thinking of mine into an audiovisual medium, and by now our film has got about 4 hours in the different film organizations, and I think this is a social message. It is a message to the public that the mother and child born out of the soul and body of the Ma or mother is the ultimate creation of God. And in fact, this kind of thinkings and all this in practicality, people will see everything these things, but few people can imbibe that thinking into their own self, and we should be careful that mothers are the creators of this vast world, Brahmanda Srishtikarta, they are the creators. So a creator cannot be a lost lady, and in that way I created the film, and it is well taken by the society. This is a huge message to the society. This not only entails the condition of mothers in our human world, at the same time how a child grows to a full bloom good citizen, and be the child a lady or a boy, it doesn't matter. It is a child after all, a human being. And as far as I am concerned, I have not discriminated in my lifetime, neither my parents, between a girl child and a boy. And at the same time, caste, color, religion is not to be taken into account when we see as a doctor a man or woman in the proper perspective. And I am happy that I could do that after I am not a regular or a professional filmmaker, and some English papers they commented a cardiovascular surgeon turning to a filmmaker. And I am happy that I am able to translate my thinking to an audiovisual medium, and this not only gives a social message, it also gives regarding mothers, it also gives about the society, because I find that ladies of a country or a nation, the condition of the women is the mirror of that country. If they are well taken care of, the country is well. If they are neglected, the country is not well. And in doing this film, I had a lot of thinking, and I instructed that nothing should be shown where we denigrate a lady. And I am happy that 9th Bangalore Shorts Film Festival is showing that to esteemed audience who should take up this into their own countries and can be a part of my way of thinking, in the sense that women and children, they are not to be neglected, and more so a child, because today's child is tomorrow's future. So the future cannot be neglected by anybody, any country in the world. I again thank the 9th Bangalore Short Film Festival to have chosen my film to be shown, and I think the more the people see, the audience will be educated about women, child welfare, and I am happy if it even changes one person's mind as far as ladies are concerned and children are concerned.